How did Lee Auto Sales get the plate wrong? That was your sister's vehicle and the plate was at home.
Not my plate, it was her plate. But I was telling them what had happened because she purchased it from Lee Auto Sales. And when he went to do the plates, he did them wrong because it was supposed to have been a transfer.
This defendant thought she had the perfect excuse for her illegal plates. But the judge saw right through it, leading to an intense grilling.
I called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cases for Ms. Gondor, and all of them were today, nothing for tomorrow. I don't see.
Yesterday? Did she have anything yesterday?
No, all of them for today, nothing for yesterday.
Okay. My understanding that she wanted to waive her right to trial and enter a plea. Is that correct, Ms. Gondor?
Yes.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please, ma'am? Do you swear or affirm truth to both?
The judge begins the formal process of taking her plea.
Ma'am, you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
And no, I don't.
You understand by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
The judge starts questioning her about the first incident.
Draw your attention back to February 19, 2022 at around 11:45 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Joy Road and Broad Street. Have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department now?
Yes.
And where you operate a motor vehicle, a 2010 Dodge?
Yes.
Was there something wrong with the plates on that vehicle, ma'am?
Yes, it was. Lee Auto Sales. Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Lee Auto Sales did the plates incorrectly, and I had told the police officer that the other plate was at home, and I just had to switch it because I was in my sister's vehicle at the time. That wasn't my vehicle.
The judge immediately finds a hole in her story.
How did Lee Auto Sales get the plate wrong? That was your sister's vehicle and the plate was at home.
Not my plate, it was her plate. But I was telling them what had happened because she purchased it from Lee Auto Sales. And when he went to do the plates, he did them wrong because it was supposed to have been a transfer.
The judge now brings up the second ticket, increasing the pressure.
You had another incident more than 2 months later in the same vehicle at 7 Mile Warwick Street.
Yes.
Well, what happened in that? Is that the same instance?
Yes, it was.
Is that the same reasoning?
The judge asks the one question she can't easily answer.
Yes.
So why didn't you change the plate the first time you got stopped if the plate was at home?
I had told her to change the plate, and she said she was going to change the plate, and I was unaware
Her
that
excuse for driving the car again is incredibly weak.
she didn't change the plate.
You just jumped in and went on a ride now.
I was getting Little Caesar pizza for my little ones, and I just assumed that she did that because I was still didn't have a car at the time.
The judge asks if the car is finally legal now.
All right, is the plate good on the vehicle now?
The place is good now because she has a new car. She doesn't have that car anymore because they got into a car accident on Christmas Eve.
You didn't tear it up, did
The
you?
prosecutor offers a way out, but with a condition.
She offered the explanation that that's her sister's car. She offered the explanation that she was aware of the plate, was not aware of the condition. That the plate was, that the auto place where she bought the car did not effectively transfer the plate like they were supposed to. And she told her sister, and then she says she got back. I think you heard the rest of the story. She did again drive the car, didn't pay attention to the plate. There was still something wrong with it. So would you allow, you said your sister has proper documentation now, ma'am?
Yes, she do.
Registration and insurance?
Yes.
Ms. Snyder, what would you do? I offer an improper plate, 240, dismissing the rest.
Alexis Schneider for the people, P80322. I have no objection to dismissal, Your Honor. I would just want her to present the documents. If she could either send them to the court, we could set a non-reporting review date, maybe to make it easier, but I would just want to see that the car was fixed so that Ms. Gondor doesn't keep having the same issue.
The judge agrees and sets a final date for her to bring the documents.
All right, you want to do that, ma'am? You want to come back next week sometime and bring that documentation that this car is properly registered and insured?
So for this vehicle, she doesn't have that one. She has a Jeep Wrangler. Do I just give you those documentations?
Yeah, bring the documentations to the new vehicle. What's your sister's name?
Tasha Harris.
All right, so bring the documentation next week for the new vehicle.
Okay.
Can you do that?
Yes.
All right, come back next Friday the same time, 8:30.
Okay.
All right, bring in proper documentation. We'll dismiss the case, all right?
Okay.
Her story crumbled under pressure, but the prosecutor gave her one last chance. She has 1 week to bring the proof or face the consequences.